Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. If you are looking to take your trading to the next level, then you have come to the right place, okay? In this video, we are going to be talking about creating your very own multi-currency trading system, okay? And I'm going to be walking you through the entire process step by step. All right. So whether you are new to trading or an experienced trader looking for a fresh approach, this system is going to help you maximize your potential across multiple currency pairs. So let us just dive right in. All right. Talking about multi-currency trading system. So first things first, let us define what a multi-currency trading system is. In simple terms, this system allows you to trade multiple currency pairs simultaneously. All right. It takes into account their relationships and interactions. So instead of focusing on just one currency pair, right, a multi-currency pair system lets you spot opportunities in various markets, reducing risk while improving your overall trading strategy. Now, let us just quickly talk about how you can create this system. Okay, the first step is choosing the right currency pairs. It is very important. You would want to focus on pairs that have some correlation, either positive or negative. This means that when one currency moves, the other will follow in the same direction, which is a positive correlation. Or when the currency moves, the other currency will move in the opposite direction, which is what we call a negative correlation. Okay. For example, if you are looking at Euro USD, now this is the Euro USD chart. Okay. Let me add the GBP USD chart as well. Let me just add the GBP USD chart. Okay. So this is the GBP USD chart, all right? If you were looking at the Euro USD chart, that is Euro against the dollar, which is what we have here, and the GBP USD, which is the Great Britain pound against the dollar, you are basically doubling your exposure to the Euro and the British pound, okay? They are both heavily, they are both heavily influenced by the Euro and the British pound. All right, these pairs tend to have a positive correlation, meaning they often move in the same direction. On the flip side, Euro USD and USD JPY. All right, this is the USD JPY chart. Let me just remove all these on the chart. Okay, so this is the USD JPY chart. If you are, looking at Euro USD and USD JPY chart, you will notice that they have a negative correlation, meaning when one goes up, the other tends to go down. All right. When one goes up, the other tends to go down. Now, understanding these correlations is key to building your multi-currency trading system. All right. By analyzing how different pairs interact, you can manage risk more effectively. For example, if you are long on Euro USD, okay, let's assume that you are in a buy trade, all right, if you are long on Euro USD, yeah, you're basically, if you're long on both Euro USD and GBP USD, actually, yeah, because both of them are positively correlated, right? They have a positive correlation. So if you are long on both the Euro USD and the GBP USD, for example, yeah, you are basically doubling your exposure to the Euro and the British pound, and this increases your risk. So you might want to offset that with a trade on a negatively correlated pair like the USD JPY. All right. On the other hand, if you want to take advantage of both pairs moving in the same direction, you might go long on both the GBP USD, and the Euro USD, okay, potentially increasing your gains. But remember, the more correlated the pairs are, the more risk you are exposed to. So you will need to find a balance. Now, let us get into risk management. All right, this is crucial when you are working with multiple pairs. You want to ensure that you are not overexposed to one currency or market. The key here is to set a risk percentage for each trade and use that as your guide when calculating position size. Okay, a good rule of thumb is to risk no more than 1 to 2% of your total trading capital per trade. Now, let's say you are trading Euro USD and GBP USD. All right, let's say you're trading Euro USD and GBP USD. If both are correlated and you are long on both, right, you want to make sure that the combined risk of these trades do not exceed your 1 to 2% risk tolerance. Okay, to do this, calculate the position size for each trade, considering how much you are willing to risk. If you are in two trades that are highly correlated, you might want to reduce the size of one of them to limit your overall exposure. Now, moving on to the next important component, which is technical analysis. In a multi-currency trading system, you would want to apply the same technical analysis principles that you would want for any single pair. Look at support and resistance levels, very important levels, okay? Both the horizontal support and resistance levels and the dynamic support and resistance levels, and do that on both pairs. All right, so you identify your levels, these important levels, on the both pairs that you are trading on. Okay, now you make use of your support and resistance levels, you make use of your trend lines, and you can also decide to add moving averages or also. Okay, you can also add moving averages to the chart, okay, for additional confirmations of your signals. All right, and remember, you're going to be doing that on the both pairs, or if you are even trading more than two pairs at a time, you're going to be doing that on the pairs that you are trading. Okay, you're going to be doing the same thing. All right, now, having identified, support and resistance levels and perhaps added your moving averages or oscillators, actually you can add an indicator of your choice, okay, just to identify potential entry and exit points. Another thing you should take note of is that you are actually trading multiple pairs, so it is crucial to ensure that the signals you are getting across different pairs align. If the Euro USD, for example, if the Euro USD is showing a strong sell signal, as we can see here that we have a sell signal, but the GBP USD, and remember you have to be on the same time frame, right? So since I am on the 15 minutes time frame on the Euro USD, I'm going to come to the 15 minutes time frame on the GBP USD. Basically, you are doing similar analysis across the currency pairs. Okay, so we can see that we have a sell signal on the Euro USD 15-minute chart, and then we come to the GBP USD, we are also seeing a sell signal on the 15-minute chart, so we are good to go. Okay, but if it was a situation whereby we see a buy signal, maybe a buy signal on Euro USD, and we see a sell signal on the GBP USD, then you need to decide whether to take both trades or to focus on the pair with the stronger signal. Okay, this is where your understanding of market correlations will come in handy. Okay, now let us talk about how to monitor and manage these trades. One of the biggest challenges with a multi-currency trading system is staying on top of all the different pairs you are trading. Now, what is the solution? You have to set alerts. All right, you can set price alerts or indicator-based alerts on your trading platform. All right, now, when you do that, you're going to be notified when the pair hits a critical level or shows a strong signal. For example, this is the MT4 platform. All right, and if you want to set alerts on the MT4 platform, or at a particular level, yeah, you just have to identify that level that you want to set your alerts on, right? And when you've identified that level, okay, for example, let's say I want to set an alert here, you can just right click, yeah, you can just right click, and on that level where you want to set your alert on, and then you go to trading. Yeah, when you go to trading, then you can see where, the option to set an alert is, right? You can then, set the respective alert that you want. Okay. Now, another tip is to use trading journals. Okay, tracking your trades, including the pairs you have chosen and why you made certain decisions. It will help you refine your strategy over time. Not only does this give you insight into your trading habits, but it also helps you spot patterns that can improve your overall performance. Now, let's quickly summarize the key steps to creating your own multi-currency trading system. Okay, the first step is to choose the right currency pairs. Okay, focus on pairs with a known correlation, either positive or negative. And then secondly, incorporate strong risk management using position sizing and manage exposure to avoid over leveraging. Okay, it's important to always incorporate strong risk management. Always make sure you use position sizing. Size your positions properly, and then also manage exposure to avoid over leveraging. Okay, and then the third step is to apply technical analysis. All right, technical analysis to each pair. Okay, but always keep an eye on correlation between them. And then finally, set alerts and use a trading journal to monitor your trades and make adjustments as needed. Remember, building your own multi-currency trading system takes time and practice. It's about finding the right balance of risk and reward while trading across different markets. And most importantly, stay disciplined. It can be tempting to chase every opportunity, but by focusing on the pairs and the system you've built, you'll be able to trade with confidence. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button for more Forex strategies and tips. And leave a comment below if you've tried trading with multi-currency pairs or if you have any questions about setting up your own system. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.